You got soups? Nothing? What do you have?
Fried dumpling and rice and peas.
Fried dumpling?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Yo!
Yeah, I'll take one.
You still want this? Check one.
Yeah, go. Brown stew and dumpling and
Thank you very much, sir.
yeah, man, it's a
You have 50 more? Yeah, keep it. Thank you.
See?
Let me get some water. How much? Alright guys, I got breakfast. But I need to check my map to make sure I'm going the right way. Let me make sure I'm going the right way. And yes, I am.
Turn left onto Church Street.
So guys, here we are. Fried dumplings with oxtail in the morning. It's really good. Really good. Alright, see it? That is a must. Directly from the streets, man. Alright? Absolutely awesome. But let me chop this down. Alright? And I'll check it back in a minute. Alright guys, this is a must, okay? This fried dumplings with oxtail, man. This was kicking, okay? It's the spice, everything about it. It's perfect. Perfect, man. I tell you. Perfect. Yeah. You definitely gotta try this if you haven't. You definitely gotta try it. Alright. Let me finish up. I'll check you through later, alright?